how to turn on and off the alarm on OPPO Band. And okay guys, here in your OPPO Band, okay, you'll have to do is slide down and go to Tools. Okay, tap Tools. Here in Tools, slide up and you can see here the alarm. Okay, tap the alarm. Here an alarm, you can set or turn on the alarm into working days, every day, or you can set into never. So for my example, I set into work day. So the alarm is set into 7 o'clock. And okay, to turn on this, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on below of this 7 o'clock work day. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on the alarm. And if you want to turn off again, okay, turn off the switch button on the below of work day. And that's it. Okay, so another example. So for my example, I set into every day. Okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on below of this every day to turn on. And to turn off, switch off the switch button below of this every day to turn off. So if you want to change the alarm time, okay, you'll have to do is, okay, below you can see the please go to Health App to set the alarm. So okay, you can go to Health tab to change the alarm. But in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on and off the alarm on your OPPO Band. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on and off the alarm on OPPO Band. And okay, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.